kind of thought manufacturing was just this thing that my dad did.
I honestly thought that manufacturing was terrifying because I didn't grow up working with tools and hardware and equipment. It was all foreign to me.
For me, I've always really liked making things.
I got into engineering because I was always obsessed with how stuff works, how it's made, and just the process and idea of creating something, physically making it, and then putting it out into the world.
It's very rewarding, I think, to be able to see the raw materials go in and have a product come out at the end.
That's what gets me passionate about, like the little tiny details that people don't think about, but which make such an impact in our day-to-day life.
When I tour the other plants, even different businesses, it's the best day ever because you get to find out something new about how something was made that you never could have guessed before.
It's hard to get stuck in a rut in manufacturing.
I enjoy not knowing exactly what I'm walking into every day. I mean, there's an underlying, this is what it's expected, but you never know what's going to happen.
I'm not sitting at a desk. I get to go out and I actually have an impact in making that solution.
There's no way around it. Manufacturing is the way. It's just, that's just what it is.